Let me introduce new concept today, that is linear inequalities. What is a linear inequality? Look at this, sir. Ax plus b equal to 0 is a linear equation in one variable. Ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. So when it is equal to sign and equated to 0, it is called an equation. Now look at this, sir. Ax plus b is less than 0. Ax plus b is less than or equal to 0. Ax plus b greater than 0. Ax plus b greater than or equal to 0 is a linear inequality. Is a linear inequality in one variable. Similarly, if I write ax plus by plus c is less than 0, ax plus by plus c less than or equal to 0, ax plus by plus c greater than 0, ax plus by plus c greater than or equal to 0 is a linear inequality in two variables. When a linear inequality is given, how can we calculate the values of x? Means x value is varying from which value to which value. Means lower limit and upper limit you have to calculate. Two questions you will get from this chapter. Simple concept, simple chapter. Let us see this one. First question we have. Solve the following linear inequalities. First one is 2x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. Minus 3x plus 12 less than 0. Third one, 4x minus 12 greater than or equal to 0. 7x plus 9 greater than 30. This way we have 4 questions. How to solve linear inequations. Based on this, next stage we can move to ICA material problems. Now look at the question number 1. 2x minus 4 less than or equal to 0. This minus 4 is taken to the other side. When you take any constant from one side to another side, there is no change in the inequality sign. So 2x is less than or equal to 4, x is less than or equal to 2. Now represent x is equal to 2. This is plus infinity minus infinity. What is your inequality sign? X is less than or equal to 2. So this portion is x is less than 2, this is equal to. This value also included. Because your inequality is having is equal to sign. When inequality is having is equal to sign, this value also included. Therefore, x belongs to minus infinity open interval, because minus infinity value cannot be taken into consideration. Minus infinity, very small value. This is open interval. Open interval means ordinary bracket 2. You are including 2, therefore square bracket this way. It is called closed interval. This is closed. 2 is closed. It means 2 you are considering. Infinity you are not considering. Open. So open brackets, closed brackets. Infinity to 2. This way you have to write. Second one. Minus 3x plus 12 less than 0. Minus 3x is less than minus 12. Now, remember, when you are solving the linear inequality or linear inequations, the coefficient of x should be positive. So, multiplying with dividing with minus 3. So, this is x greater than 4. When you multiply with the minus sign, inequality will change. Look at this, sir. Minus 4 is less than minus 3, but 4 is greater than 3. X is equal to 4. This is infinity, this is minus infinity. Now, is equal to sign is not in the inequality sign. So, 4 is not considered. Leaving 4 you have to take. So, x belongs to open interval 4 to infinity. Means lower limit and upper limit are excluded. Lower limit and upper limit are excluded. So it is 4 comma infinity ordinary brackets, and you have to read it as open interval 4 to infinity. Open interval 4 to infinity. 4 is not considered, infinity is not considered. Next. Look at the third question. 4x minus 12 greater than or equal to 0. 4x is greater than or equal to 12. X is greater than or equal to 3. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. Represent the value on the real. This is minus infinity. This is plus infinity. You have a value x is equal to 3. So this is right hand side value. X is greater than 3 means greater than or equal to 3. So x equal to 4, x equal to 5 this way. X will take the values which are either equal to 3 or greater than 3. So is equal to sign is there, 3 you have to include. Then how to write the solution? X belongs to closed interval. Here 3 is closed. So square brackets. Infinity is ignored, therefore open. You have to write the answer 3 to infinity, or you can write 3 less than or equal to x, x less than infinity. 3 less than or equal to x, x less than infinity. This is third question. Fourth question. 7x plus 9 greater than 30. 7x is greater than 30 minus 9, 21, x is greater than 3. 21 divided by 7, 3. This is minus infinity, this is plus infinity, this is x is equal to 3. X value greater than 3. It means it will take right hand side values of x equal to 3. And 3 is not included because there is no is equal to sign. How can I write 3 less than x, x less than infinity? 3 less than x less than infinity, or x belongs to 3 to infinity. X belongs to 3 to infinity. Second question. 3x plus 17 less than or equal to 2 minus 2x. Now look at this. Keep variables one side and constant another side. Keep variables on one side and constant another side. So this is 3x plus 2x is less than or equal to 2 minus 17. 5x is less than or equal to minus 15. X is less than or equal to minus 3. X is equal to minus 3 plus infinity minus infinity. Left hand side area you have to consider values less than minus 3. Minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 up to minus infinity. So is equal to sign is there. How to write? Minus 3 less than or equal to x, x less than minus infinity. Minus 3 less than or equal to x, x less than or less than minus infinity. So x belongs to minus infinity open. This I'll write this. Minus infinity less than x, x less than or equal to minus 3. Lower limit, upper limit. X belongs to minus infinity minus 3. Minus 3 is included, so here it is square bracket closed. It is not included open. Minus infinity to minus 3. Next, third question. 2x minus 3 divided by 4 plus 9 greater than or equal to 3 plus 4x by 3. Now look at this. 2x minus 3 plus 36 divided by 4. 4 is taken as LCM, greater than or equal to 9 plus 4x by 3. So 2x plus 33 divided by 4 greater than or equal to 4x plus 9 by 3. Cross multiply in ordinary way. 3 2s are 6x plus 99 greater than or equal to 16x plus 36. 16x plus 36. So 6x minus 16x is greater than or equal to 36 minus 99. Minus 10x is greater than or equal to minus 63. So x is less than or equal to 63 by 10. When you divide with minus 10, this inequality will change. Greater than will become less than. This is x is equal to 63 by 10 minus infinity plus infinity. So this is every time when I am writing the interval, I will see whether inequality sign is having is equal to or not. Here it is equal to. So minus infinity less than x, x less than or equal to 63 by 10. Or this is x belongs to open interval, open minus infinity closed 63 by 10. Okay, one more question of this model, then I'll change the time. 3 into x minus 2 divided by 5 greater than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x divided by 3. Now sir, this is 3x minus 6 by 5 greater than or equal to 10 minus 5x by 3. Cross multiply 9x minus 18 greater than or equal to 50 minus 25x. Bring 25x to this side. Greater than or equal to 50 minus 18. This is 34x greater than or equal to 2. 32. X is greater than or equal to 32 by 34. X is greater than or equal to 32 by 34. X is equal to 32 by 34. Right hand side value. Now, every time you have to decide whether this value should be included or excluded. Whenever your is equal inequality is having is equal to sign, this right hand side value is included. When your inequality sign does not have is equal to, then it is excluded. Here it is equal to sign. Therefore, this value should be included. 32 by 34 less than or equal to x, x less than infinity. Or you can say x belongs to, this will become lower limit and it is included 32 by 34. Upper limit is infinity, it is excluded. So ordinary. Minus 18, if I take the side, it is plus. So 868. 68 by 34 means 2. X is equal to 2 here. Minus 18 will become plus. Minus 25 will become plus. So x is 2. Is equal to sign is there in the inequality. 2 is included. So 2 less than or equal to x, x less than infinity, or x belongs to 2 to infinity, 2 to infinity. Next model, sir. When the given inequality is of the type ax plus b by cx plus d either less than 0, less than or equal to 0, greater than 0, sorry, greater than or equal to constant. Again I am repeating this point. The given inequality is of the type ax plus b by cx plus d less than k, less than or equal to k, greater than k, greater than or equal to k. When the given problem is of this type, how can we solve? Look at the question. X minus 2 by x plus 5 is greater than 2. Now sir, here you cannot take x plus 5 to the right hand side because we don't know the value of x. It may be a positive value or a negative value. So you cannot solve this problem like previous time. When the given problem of this type, then this is the standard procedure we have. X minus 2 by x plus 5 minus 2 greater than 0. Okay, one more time I am repeating this point. This x plus 5 cannot be taken to the right hand side straight away because the variable x sign is not known to us. It may take a positive value or it may take a negative value. It may be positive or it may be negative. If it is negative, when you are taking to the other side, inequality will change. If it is a positive value taking to the other side, that inequality sign will remain same. Therefore, you cannot straight away take x plus 5 to the right hand side. Greater than 0. So, these type of problems, I'll bring this constant from right hand side to left hand side, so that right hand side value is 0. Now look at this, x minus 2 minus 2x minus 10 divided by x plus 5 greater than 0, minus x minus 12, x minus 2x is minus x, minus 2 minus 10 is minus 12 by x plus 5 greater than 0. Now remember, in the numerator as well as in the denominator, coefficient of x is positive. Again I am repeating this point. In the numerator as well as in the denominator, the coefficient of x is positive. In any case, if it is not positive, multiply both the sides with minus sign. So this is x plus 12 divided by x plus 5 less than 0. When you multiply with a minus sign, inequality will change. After reaching this step, equate numerator separately to 0 and denominator separately to 0. Then you will get two values for x which are called critical values. Again I am repeating this point. After reaching this particular step, equate numerator to 0 and denominator to 0 separately and solve for x. You will get two values for x. Here, when x plus 12 is equated to 0, x is equal to minus 12. When x plus 5 is equated to 0, x is equal to minus 5. So x is equal to minus 12, x is equal to minus 5, this is plus sign, this is minus sign plus. Now, your critical values are dividing the number line into three parts. Your critical values are dividing the number line into three parts. Starting with the right hand side, put a plus sign. This is minus sign and this is plus sign. This is plus infinity and this is minus infinity. One is plus infinity, the other one is minus infinity. Now sir, you have to write the solution. Look at the last step of this. X plus 12 by x plus 5 less than 0. Inequality is less than. Therefore, minus sign area is the solution. Now, extreme values should I include or should I exclude? One more decision what is required here is extreme values should we consider or should we exclude? Your inequality does not have is equal to sign, so extreme values are excluded. So minus 12 less than x, x less than minus 5. How to write the answer? Minus 12 less than x, x less than minus 5. Or x belongs to open interval minus 12 to minus 5. This is lower limit and this is upper limit. In this area, this inequality is satisfied. That is the solution set to the given problem. Let's see one more question. Two x plus 4 divided by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 5. So this is 2x plus 4 by x minus 1 minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. 2x plus 4 minus 5 into x minus 1 divided by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. 2x plus 4 minus 5x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Minus 3x plus 9 divided by x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. And we know neither in the denominator nor in the numerator x coefficient is not negative. Means you don't want x coefficient as negative in the numerator as well as in the denominator. It should be positive. So this is 3x minus 9 divided by x minus 1 less than or equal to 0, multiplying both the sides with a negative sign. After reaching this step, equate a numerator separately to 0. So 3x is equal to 9, x is equal to 3, x minus 1 equal to 0, x equal to 1. This is x is equal to 1, this is x is equal to 3. This is plus infinity minus infinity. Now again you have to take a decision, should we include the extreme values or not. When you take x equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, it is meaningless. Denominator 0 means inequality not satisfied. Infinite, this is x is not equal to 1. The inequality is meaningful when x is not equal to 1. Therefore 1 is less than x, x is less than or equal to 3. X belongs to open interval 1, closed interval 3. This way you have to write. Let's see one more question, after that I can change the model. Next, x plus 3 divided by x minus 2 less than or equal to 2. X plus 3 divided by x minus 2 less than or equal to 2. This is of the type ax plus b by cx plus d less than or equal to k. Bring k to left hand side. It means x plus 3 by x minus 2 minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Less than or equal to 0. Comma, x is not equal to 2. Less than or equal to 0. So minus x plus 7 by x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Multiplying with a minus sign because we don't want x coefficient as negative either in the numerator or in the denominator. Again I am repeating this point. We don't want x coefficient as negative in the numerator as well as in the denominator. So this is x minus 7 divided by x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Equate a numerator separately to 0, x equal to 7. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 7. Plus infinity minus infinity. So these two values are dividing the number line into three parts. Plus sign, minus sign, plus sign. After writing this, which area should be taken? When your inequality is greater than sign, plus area is the solution set to the given problem. If your inequality is having less than sign, minus area will be the solution to the given question. Here inequality is greater than, therefore plus area. Second point where you have to concentrate is whether extreme values, these two values are included or not. Critical values are included or not. Inequality sign is having is equal to sign. But what is the condition given? X is not equal to 2. How can we write this? X belongs to minus infinity open interval to 7. 7 is included. Sorry, sir. I'm sorry. Two is not included here. Minus infinity to 2. Union, because there is a break from 2 to 7. There is a break. So it is 7 to infinity. 7 to infinity. Minus infinity to 2, union, this is open interval. 7 is included, closer to infinity. Okay, sir. Now, sir, type 3. Results based on modulus. First one, modulus of x is less than a implies and implied minus a is less than x, x less than a. You have to write it as x belongs to minus a to plus a. Second one, modulus of x is greater than or less than or equal to a. Is equal to sign means these values are included. Minus a less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to a. Or it can be written as x belongs to minus a to plus a. Closed interval. Third one, modulus of x greater than a implies and implied x is less than minus a or x is greater than plus a. Modulus of x is greater than or equal to a implies and implied x is less than or equal to minus a, x is greater than or equal to plus a. Based on this we have some results. One or two problems I'll do. Numerical problems of this model given in the CA exam, that is in CPT, and there is no change in maths paper, same syllabus. So I'll do a couple of problems on this. First one is modulus of 3x minus 2 less than or equal to half. modulus of 3x minus 2 less than or equal to half. Now this is of this type, sir, type 2 result. Modulus of x is less than or equal to 2. How can we write this? Minus a less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to a. So minus 1 by 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2. Now I want x only, not any other value within these limits. So isolate x means keep x only. Adding to minus 1 by 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 3x minus 2 plus 2 less than or equal to 1 by 2 plus 2. 4 minus 1, 3 by 2 less than or equal to 3x less than or equal to 5 by 2. Constant is eliminated, but x is having 3 as its coefficient. You need only 1 as its coefficient, dividing by 3. Dividing by 3. 3 by 2 into 1 by 3 less than or equal to 3x by 3 less than or equal to 5 by 2 into 1 by 3. 3 cancel. 3 cancel. 1 by 2 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 5 by 6 is equal to sign is there. So x3 values are included. X belongs to 1 by 2 comma 5 by 6. Okay. Let's see the next question. Modulus of x minus 2. Modulus of x minus 2 greater than or equal to 5. Now this is of the type modulus of x is greater than or equal to 5. So I have to eliminate modulus sign from the picture. So this is x minus 2 less than or equal to minus 5 or x minus 2 greater than or equal to 5. X minus 2 less than or equal to minus 5 or x minus 2 greater than or equal to 5. So x minus 2, take minus 2 to the other side, x is less than or equal to minus 5 plus 2, or when I take x to other side, x is greater than or equal to 5 plus 2. X is less than or equal to minus 3 or x is greater than or equal to 7. R means union you have to write. Minus infinity to minus 3. Minus 3 is included because is equal to sign is there. Union. 7 is included. Infinity is not included. So this is the solution to the given problem. Okay. Now I'll do those two problems which are given in CBT exam. Modulus of x minus, this is x plus 1 by 4 less than or equal to, greater than 7 by 2. This is my question. Let me check up the question, sir. Yes. Now this is of type 3 model. Type 3, this is third result, not type 3 model, it is of third result. Modulus of x is greater than a. So how can you write? First you have to eliminate modulus, x is less than minus a. X plus 1 by 4 is less than minus 7 by 4, or x plus 1 by 4 is greater than 7 by 4. X is less than minus a or x is greater than plus a. So x is less than or equal to minus 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4, or x is greater than 7 by 4 minus 1 by 4. X is less than or equal to minus 8 by 4. No, is equal to 7. X is greater than 6 by 4. So x is less than minus 2 or x is greater than 3 by 4. How can you write answer? X belongs to minus infinity, there is no is equal to sign, open interval, minus infinity and minus 2 are not included. After that union is equal to sign not there here also. So 3 by 2 is not included and infinity. Either your options may be in this manner or your options may be given in this manner. That you have to identify. Okay. Now let us see the last problem for this mathematical model inequality. This one category of problems you can say. Modulus of modulus of 3x minus 4 divided by 4 less than or equal to 5 by 12. Less than or equal to 5 by 12. Now which result I have to use? Second one. Minus a less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to a. You have to eliminate modulus from the picture. So minus 5 by 12 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 by 4 less than or equal to 5 by 12. First multiplying with the 4. 4 cancel, 4 will go 3 times, 4 will go 3 times. Minus 5 by 3 less than or equal to 3x minus 4, this is less than or equal to 5 by 3. Then you have to add 4. Minus 5 by 3 plus 4 less than or equal to 3x minus 4 plus 4 less than or equal to 5 by 3 plus 4. 12 minus 5, 7 by 3. When I take LCM, 3 4s are 12, 12 minus 5, 7 by 3. This is 12 plus 5, 17 by 3. Next dividing by 3. 7 by 9 less than or equal to x, x less than or equal to 17 by 9 is equal to sign, both are included. Therefore, x belongs to 7 by 9 comma 17 by 9. So these are one category of problems under inequations. That's all here in this, remaining in the next session. Thank you.